How to sell crypto and Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell crypto on Trust Wallet. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. Once you own the crypto, in order to sell it, you can simply open up Trust Wallet, head over to your wallet first, and then go ahead and at the home page you'll get the option that says send, receive, buy, sell, and history. If you want to send it, you can simply tap on send and go ahead and send it to other wallet. However, if you want to sell it, then simply tap on sell option there and then choose the particular particular crypto that you wish to sell. Now it depends on how much balance you own, then you can select the number that you wish to sell and then tap on sell and go ahead and add in your fund method, that is where you will receive, and then go ahead and sell it. Add in other necessary prompts and details and you're good to go. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.